Hello students, let's start a new chapter from the calculus section, that is the limits. Now limit, what is limit? Before going to limit, let us see what is the meaning of the expression x tends to a. X tends to a means x is approaching a. A is a number from either side, so that the value of x minus a, mod of x minus a is very close to 0. Let us try to understand in this illustration. Suppose I say x tends to 2, then the value of x can be 2.1, 2.01, 2.001, 2.001. So as you see, these values are approaching 2. Or on the other hand, you can say 1.9, 1.99, 1.999. These values are also approaching 2. So x can have either any of these values or any of these values. Whether it is this or this, we will say that x is in the neighborhood of a. Either it is more than 1.9 or less than 2.1. So x belongs to this neighborhood. Then what we will say? That x is approaching 2. So x tends to 2 means the value of x is very close to 2. Okay. Now, so this is all about the meaning of x tends to a. Now let's come to the function. Let f be a real function. If fx is defined for all, means the domain of fx is all real values, then and so when see limit x tends to a fx is equal to L. This is no L, okay, don't take it 1. So limit x tends to a fx is equal to L means what? When x is approaching a number, say a, then fx is approaching a number L. Okay? Suppose let fx is equal to x square. Now when x is approaching 2, then fx will be approach what? 2 square, that is 4. So x is not exactly 2. X tends to 2 doesn't mean that x is 2, but x is very close to 2. And to find this limiting value, to find the limiting value of the function, what we do? We have to put at last x equal to 2 to obtain the value. Okay, but this is not f2, but this is not fx. Okay, so limit x tends to a fx is equal to L. If you say limit x tends to fx is equal to L, it does not mean that fa is L. Fa may be something else. Okay? Acha. Now let's see the formula that we'll be using in this exercise. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equals to 1. Limit x tends to 0, only cos x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by x equal to 1. You can write the limit as LT or even LIM, whatever you feel better. Acha. In this, when we are dealing with trigonometric limits, so let me tell you one thing. These, all the angles should be in radian. All the angles should be what? In radian. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. E is what? Exponential. Limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x equal to log a. Limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x by x is equal to 1. And one more formula, limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a is equal to n into a to the power n minus 1. Okay? Acha. Now let's go ahead. Limit x tends to 1, x square minus 1 by x minus 1. See, if I put here x equal to 1, then this whole thing will be in the form of 0 by 0. So what will I do? I will factorize it. I will factorize this by using the formula of a square minus b square. It will become x minus 1, x plus 1. And this is cancelled. X minus 1 cancel because as x tends to 1, x is not exactly 1. In the next step, to obtain the limiting value, we are putting x equal to 1. So don't get confused. Actually, x is not 1. X is very close to 1. But then you may ask, sir, then why you are putting x equal to 1? To obtain the limiting value, means to which value the function will be nearby. Nearby what value the function will be? To obtain that nearby value, limiting value, we are putting x equal to 1. Next sum. This is question is given, limit x tends to 2. Okay. Now do the middle factor. So you will see, you will get a common factor, x minus 2 cancelled. Again same thing right here, as x tends to 2, x not equal to 2. Okay, then the remaining part is this is, and you put the value 2 minus 3, x equal to 2 you put. So you will get 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 5, means minus 1 by minus 3. So if I cut the minus, you will get 1 by 3. Okay students, limit x tends to infinity. Now see, whenever you are getting any sum of infinity, you see what is the maximum power of x in the given question. So here it is x square. So divide the numerator and denominator by x square. So you will get this thing. Okay, divide each term by x square. Now let 1 by x is equal to h. As x tends to infinity, h tends to 0. So what will do? So 6 by x square will become 6h square, because 1 by x is h. Because 1 by x is h, so 1 by x square will be h square. Here 1 by x is h. Now after that what will you do? H is here tending to 0. Why? Because 1 by infinity is 0. 1 by 0 is infinity and 1 by infinity is 0. So 6h square minus 5. Now here you put the value of h as 0. So what will you get? Minus 5 by 15. That is minus 1 by 3. So last sum, limit x tends to 2, x4 minus 16 by x minus 2. What will you do? You apply the formula, that what formula? This one that we have seen, x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus 1 is equal to n into a to the power n minus 1. So in this sum, a is 2, and first of all we have written in this form, 16 is what? 2 to the power 4. So a is 2 and n is 4. So 4 into 2 to the power 4 minus 1 means 4 into 2 cube, that is 8 4 ja 32. Okay. Okay students. So that's all. And I am sending some more sums. This is the first class, and in the next class we will discuss some more sums. Okay, have a nice day.